In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text background color on FigJam. Start by opening your FigJam board so you have a canvas ready to work on. There are a few simple ways to give your text a colored background, and I'll walk you through the most reliable methods, along with tips to make them look clean and consistent. First up, the recommended method, using shapes. This is the most versatile approach if you want a proper colored text box. Select the Shape tool, or press S, and draw a rectangle where you want your text to sit. Once the shape is on your board, click it to open its toolbar. Use the color picker to choose your background color and adjust the opacity if you want a softer look or a more solid fill. When the color looks right, add your text. You can double-click inside the shape and start typing, or if you already have text on the board, drag that text layer on top of the shape. Resize the shape to create comfortable padding around the text so it's readable and balanced. This method is great because you can easily move the box and text together and keep your layout tidy. If you only need to emphasize a few words, try the highlighter tool. Click the drawing tool in the toolbar and select the highlighter, or press Shift plus M. Pick a color and choose a stroke weight that matches how bold you want the highlight to appear. Then click and drag over the text you want to emphasize. If you want a perfectly straight highlight under or across your text, hold Shift while dragging. This is perfect for callouts during workshops or quick edits where you don't need a full text box. For a fast, ready-made text block with a solid background, use sticky notes. Select the sticky note tool or press N and place one on your board. Type your text directly into the sticky. Then use the toolbar to change the sticky's color. The sticky itself becomes the background, so it's a quick solution for labels, headers, or notes that need to stand out. You can resize the sticky and adjust the text size to fit your content comfortably. That's it. Open your board, choose the method that suits your purpose, and apply color in a way that supports readability and consistency. Shapes give you the most control, the highlighter is best for quick emphasis, and sticky notes are the fastest way to get a colored text block on the board.